Hello students, welcome to EDGA online class. Unit 4, day 5. In the last class we learnt word families. Today we will learn word families. Before start the class, I will ask one question. What is letter? Letter make sounds. Okay. What is word? Lot of letters joined together make words. Okay. What is sentence? Lot of words joined together make sentence. Okay. Now go to the class students. Today we will learn word family and word families. Okay. Now look at the slide. Yes. Word families and word families. See the first one. What is this? Dam. What is this? Dam. Now look at the board. What is the beginning sound? Guess it. D. This is beginning. Next, middle. A. N. M. So, okay, use your arm. This is beginning, middle, end. Okay, beginning, D. Middle, A. End, M. D. A. M. Dam. What is the word? Dam. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Ham. The next word, ham. What is the beginning sound? H. Middle, A. This is middle. N, M. N sound, M. Okay, use your arm. Middle, beginning, H. Middle, A. N, M. H, A, M. Ham. What is the word? Ham. Now go to the next one. Okay. Second one. See the slide. See the second picture. What is this? Jam. What is this? Jam. Now look at the board. Next one. Jam. What is the beginning sound? J. Middle, A. N, M. Okay, use a arm. J, A, M. Jam. J, A, M. Jam. Okay. Second one, Sam. Sam. Beginning, S. Middle, A. N, M. S, A, M. Sam. S, A, M. Sam. Is that clear? Now look at the slide. See the third one. What is this? Ran. What is this? Ran. Okay. Now look at the board. Next one, ran. Okay. What is the beginning sound? Middle, A. N, M. Okay. Is around R, A, M. Ran. R, A, M. Ran. Okay. What is the word? Ran. Next word, fan. Fan. What is the beginning sound? P. Next word, fan. Okay. What is the beginning sound? P. Middle, A. N, M. Okay. Use your arm. P, A, M. Fan. P, A, M. Fan. Okay. Now go to the next word. Okay. See the slide. See the last one, fourth one. What is this? Yam. Okay. What is this? Yam. Now look at the board. The next word, yam. What is the beginning sound? Yeah. Middle, A. N, M. N, M. Okay. Is it wrong? Yam. Yam. Okay. See the next one, man. Next one, man. Okay. Beginning, middle, end, okay. Is it wrong? Beginning, man. Man. Is it clear? Now look at the slide. See the sentences. Read the sentences below. Okay. Now I read the sentences. You can listen carefully and follow with your fingers. Is it clear? Okay. See the first one. I like to eat jam. I like to eat jam. Now go to the second sentence. There is a dam. There is a dam. Third one. My mom ate yam. My mom ate yam. Fourth sentence. This man is Sam. This man is Sam. Fifth one. This girl is Pam. This girl is Pam. Once again. First sentence. I like to eat jam. Second. There is a dam. Third one. My mom ate yam. My mom ate yam. Fourth sentence. This man is Sam. This man is Sam. Fifth one. This girl is Pam. This girl is Pam. Is that clear? Now go to the next session. Students, take your student reader 7, page number 76. You can practice at your home. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, now go to the next session. What is the next session? Whole words. Students, in the whole word session, we will learn 2 new whole words. Okay, the first one, many. First one, many. Second one, sheep. Second one, sheep. Okay, first one, many. Second one, sheep. Okay, now look at the board. Using the whole words with examples. Okay. The first one, many. The first whole word is many. Next, see the example using the whole word many. Okay, see the first example. I have many pens. I have many pens. Where is the whole word many? Find in this sentence. Yes, it comes after have. Okay, the first example, I have many pens. The second example, Sujata has many tree friends. Has many tree friends. Sujata has many tree friends. Where is the whole word many? Find it. Yes, it comes after has. Okay, the first whole word is many. Okay, next we see the examples using the whole word many. The first example, I have many pens. The second example, Sujata has many tree friends. Is that clear? Now go to the next whole word. Okay. Now look at the slide. Yes, the first whole word many. Next, see the example. I have many pens. Second one, Sujata has many three friends. Okay, now go to the second whole word. Okay, the second whole word is she. She. Okay, second whole word she. Next, we see the example using the whole word she. Okay, the first example. When she wants to swing. When she wants to swing. Where is the whole word she? Find into this sentence. Yes, it comes after when. Okay. Now see the second example. She likes to run. She likes to run. Where is the whole word she? Comes first. She. Okay. The second whole word she. Let's see the example. The first one, when she wants to swing. Second one, she likes to run. Okay. Now look at the slide. She. The second whole word is she. Next, see the examples. When she wants to swing. Second one, she likes to run. Okay. See the next slide. Yes. Setting. Can you hear this setting word? The setting means where the story takes place. Where the story takes place. Okay. Setting means where the story takes place. See the slide carefully. The setting is where the story takes place. For example, in the story Be Friends with a Tree, the different settings. The different settings, they are forest, park, playground and etc. Okay. Settings means where the story takes place. Where the story takes place. For example, forest, park, playground and etc. Okay. Now see the second slide. Setting. Where the story happens. See the some examples. Forest, park, playground, home, school, fair and etc. Okay. These are settings. Forest, park, playground, home, school, fair. These are setting. Is that clear? What is the meaning setting? Where the story takes place. Okay. Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Reading comprehension. Students, look at the board. The title of the story. In the last class, we read the one story. What is the title of the story? Be friends with a tree. Be friends with your tree. With your tree. Be friends with your tree. This is the title of the story. Okay. Who's author? Komal Ramchandani. Author Komal Ramchandani. Illustrations by Kitty Benga. Illustrations by Kitty The title of the story is Be Friends with Your Tree, written by Komal Ramchandani, illustrations by Higdi Benha. Okay, now look at the slide. Now I read the story. Next, you can follow with me using your finger. Is that clear? Okay. The title of the story, Be Friends with Your Tree, written by Komal Ramchandani, illustrations by Higdi Benha. Okay, see the first picture, first page, students. Sujata has many tree friends. Okay, Sujata has many friends. Sujata, one of the character in this story. Okay, before we learned setting. Okay, see the setting in this story, forest. Okay, forest. First one, forest. Sujata has many tree friends. Sujata, S-U-J-A-T-A, Sujata has, H-A-S, has many. We already learnt in the whole word session. Okay, you can mark it. Sujata has many, M-A-N-Y, many friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Sujata has many tree friends. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree friends. Sujata has many tree friends. Is that clear? First page clear? Now go to the second page. Okay. See the picture. What did you see in this second page? Sujata swing in the tree. When she wants to swing. When she wants to swing. Swing means ஊஞ்சல் ஆடுறது. Okay. When, W-H-E-N, when she, S-H-E, she. Already we learnt in the whole word session. We can mark the word she. Next, wants, W-A-N-T-S, wants. To, T-O, to. Swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing. Okay, when she wants to swing. When she wants to swing. Is that clear? See the next sentence. She goes to a tree. She. Already we learnt in the whole word session. You can mark the word she. Okay. She goes. G-O-E-S, goes. To. T-O, to. A tree. T-R-E-E. Okay. She goes to a tree. When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. Is that clear? Now go to the third page. Okay. See the third page. When she wants to eat fruits. When she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. When, W-H-E-N, when, she, S-H-E, she. Okay, she, the word already we learnt in the whole word session. You can mark the word she. Okay, wants, W-A-N-T-S, wants. To, T-O, to. Eat, what is the meaning eat? சாப்பிடுறது, E-A-T, eat. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. When she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. Okay, when she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. Is that clear? Now go to the fourth page. Okay, see the picture. What did you see in this picture? The girl climbed in the tree. Yes or no? Yes. When she wants to climb. Climb means, already I told in the last class, climb means ஏறுதல், மரம் ஏறுதல். When she wants to climb, she goes to a tree. When, W-H-E-N, when. She, S-H-E, she. Wants, W-A-N-T-S, wants. To, T-O, to, climb, C-L-I-M-P, climb. When she wants to climb, she goes to a tree. Is that clear? Now go to the 5th page. When she wants to rest. Rest means what? ஓய்வெடுக்கிறது. When she wants to rest, she goes to a tree. When, W-H-E-N, when. She, S-H-E, she. Wants, W-E-N-T-S, wants. To, T-O, to, rest, R-E-S-T, rest. When she wants to rest, she goes to a tree. Is that clear? Now go to the 6th page. When she wants to think. Think means yosana pannu. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. When, W-H-E-N, when. She is, S-H-E, she. Wants, W-A-N-T-S, wants. To, T-O, to, think, T-H-I-N-K, think. She goes to a tree. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. See the 7th page. You can be friends with a tree too. Two means what? T-double-O, very. What's the meaning? Very. You can be friends with a tree too. Ninga tree kuda friends ah irundirukingla. That is the meaning of the sentence. You can be friends with a tree too. Is that clear? I hope all are understood this story. Okay. Now go to the next one. Yes, vocabulary words. Already I learnt in the last class, but we have small recap. Okay. Vocabulary words. The first one, swing. First one, swing. Second one, climb. Third one, think. Fourth one, rest. Okay. Swing, climb, think, rest. Okay. Now go to the next session, grammar part. Okay. In the last class, what did we learn? Yes, one and many. See the slide? One and many. We add an S at the end to the name more than one object. More than one object. See some examples. One apple, 4 apples. See the S. At the end, name. More than one object. Next, one tree, 3 trees. One boy, 2 boys. Note down S, S, S at the last. At the end to the name, that is more than one object. Okay. Next, see the slide. One and many. See some examples. Okay. First one, nose. Only one. Next, noses. Okay. Add yes, noses. Needle. Needles. Needle. Needles. Orange. Oranges. Oil. Oils. Pick. Picks. Pencil. Pencils. Queen. Queens. Quail. Quails. Rainbow. Rainbows. Rose. Roses. Soup. Soups. Sofa. Sofas. Top. Tops. Table. Tables. Umbrella. Umbrellas. Uncle. Uncles. Van. Vans. vase, vases, wall, walls, watermelon, watermelons, zip, zips, zip, zips, zoo, zoos. Okay, students, take your worksheet 7. This is your homework and project also. Draw and label. What would you do with a tree friend? Draw and label. What would you do with your tree friend? Okay, this is your project. Okay, see the next slide. This is your homework. Match words with correct pictures. Don't forget, suppose you don't have worksheet, take a screenshot. Okay, match words with correct picture. Is that clear? Students, today class, in the phonics session, we learnt an word family and read some sentence also. Next, in the whole word session, we learnt 2 new whole words and using with examples. In the reading comprehension session, we read the story Be Friends with a Tree and recap 4 vocabulary words, and we learnt the grammar part 1 and many, and seen some examples, and we have homework also. I hope all have understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, thank you students. Thank you students. Take care.